And from here we are heading to Muktinath, Upper Mustang and Manang. I think this is one of the best ways that we could have celebrated Women's Day to show. The three of us come from different regions, one from Pune, the two of us are from Bangalore, we've driven all the way. And this is something that we've been planning for the last 1+ years because we always wanted to do solo trips to terrains like Upper Mustang. And here finally we managed to find a wonderful travel partner, Travel Linked, along with Beyond Stays.
We started from these driving on the highways and now we've completely transformed to mountains and it feels amazing. And believe me, it's doable. And I
Absolutely
invite all the ladies to do this. This is just amazing. And it's not so difficult when you have amazing travel partners.
I think, yeah, and the kind of help we've been getting around from, Beyond Stays and Travel Link, they know the terrain really well.
Yes.
I think, and the local,
That's important.
proximity and everything is very, very important when you go for such, tough drives and things like that. So I think I'm glad that we got a really, reliable partner to do this tough terrain.
Also, the general notion that women traveling alone is considered difficult or it is unsafe, I think I will completely disagree to that. Each of us here definitely do solo travels. We also do group travels, and till date, we have not had any bad episodes whatsoever. In fact, I have only got more local support. And that has been amazing, gives you a lot of confidence to keep traveling and keep exploring newer places and tougher terrains. As long as you know your vehicle well, you know how to encounter any kind of this.
And I think it's very important that we appreciate the terrain and we are not overconfident when we drive.
Yes.
We have to really take care that we are taking care of all the safety norms and the driving rules
Yes.
When we drive.
Yeah,
but once that is taken care of, I think it's wonderful and so enjoyable to drive like this.
And most importantly, we respect the locals for who they are and what they provide. I think that's when you get respected back.
Yeah.
Yeah, and we've been enjoying the local food.
Oh, the
And
local
So
food,
looking
true.
forward to having it in our entire trip.
Yeah.
Great. So, happy Women's Day.
All right.
So it's
So
Happy Women's Day.
everyone.